There is a myth that attraction only belongs to one body type, lean, young, perfect. But real life does not work like that. Some of the most magnetic men in the world are not chasing perfection, they are building presence. Hey guys, welcome back to Recruitment 0.2 with my brand new video. Where mature, confidence, global sugar lifestyle, age gap relationships, and real masculine energy come to life. If you appreciate intelligence, daddies, powerful physiques, thick, confident men, and luxurious lifestyle stories, make sure you subscribe now because episode 631 is about diversity in dominance. So guys, today video is one of the best video because today find it top 20 plus handsome sugar muscle daddies, sugar smart daddy, sugar fat daddy. So don't skip this video, watch till the end and must be mentioned in the comment section which is your favorite good dad. This collection of handsome sugar daddies brings together two powerful energies, thick confidence and muscular discipline. Some carry a broad, solid frame, heavy chest, strong arm, climb walk. Others have trained physique shaped by years in the gym, structured shoulders, controlled posture, focused mindset. But both share something deeper. They know who they are. These men come from different countries of the world, from Chicago real estate developers to Toronto investment advisors, from Milan fashion consultant to Istanbul hotel owners, from Dubai interpreters to Sydney tech founders, from Barcelona restaurant investors to Singapore financial strategies. Different countries, different industries, one consistent trait. Most of them are in their late 40s, 50s, and early 60s. At this age, confidence is not loud anymore, it's stable, it's intentional, it's refined. The thick smart daddy may not have a six pack, but he has something stronger: financial intelligence, emotional stability, and leadership energy. He speaks slowly, he decides carefully, he protects what he builds. The muscular daddy, on the other hand, channels discipline through his body. Early gym seasons, structures routines, clean eating. He reacts his physical strength the same way he respects his business growth. When these men enter relationship, the dynamics shifts. In a relationship, they don't play games, they don't compete with younger men, they provide structures. Some are in long-term age gap relationships built on mentorship and loyalty. Some are in confidence couples where maturity meets attraction without insecurity. Some prefer ambitious younger partners who admire experience and guidance. In these relationships, sugar is not cause. It's a balance. Luxurious lifestyle for them means private dinner in Dubai, houses in Canada, business trips to London, white villas in Spain. Its tailored suits on broad frames, its luxurious watches, its controlled speech and steady eye contact. Fitness also plays a role in their appeal. Even the thicker daddies focus on health, walking routines, moderate training, smart dieting because attraction evolves with age. It becomes about strength. Beauty at this stage is different. Gray hair adds elegance, a beard adds depth, a powerful build adds presence, a muscular chest under a fitted shirt adds dominance. But the real mechanism, it's intelligence. It's the ability to lead a conservations, to manage wealth, to stay calm in pressures, to protect a partner emotionally and financially. Episode 631 proves something important. Masculinity does not belong to one shape, it belongs to confidence, it belongs to experience, it belongs to the man who has built himself physically, financially, emotionally. If you enjoy this exploration of smart, thick, muscular sugar daddies from different countries and professions, subscribe to Recruitment 0.2 for more global sugar lifestyle stories, mature beauty, discussion, and relationships. Now tell me in the comment section, do you prefer the thick daddy, disciplined muscular king? See you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.